In this video, I'm going to show you how to get CapCut templates on your PC in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to create faster edits, find trending styles, and start using ready-made templates without wasting time building everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut loads, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several different options, and the one you want is Templates. Go ahead and click Templates from the left menu. This will take you to the template library, where CapCut shows a wide variety of ready-to-use video templates. You can browse through different styles, different trends, and different layouts until you find one that fits the kind of video you want to make. Take your time here and look for a template that matches your content. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the preview. This lets you see what the template looks like before you use it. After that, simply click Use Template into your editor so you can start customizing it with your own clips, photos, or text. From there, you can make small changes, preview the final result, and export your video when you're happy with it. And that's how you get CapCut templates on PC. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a great way to create polished videos in less time. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.